Hey everyone, today I'm here to talk about the autonomy in UX. Autonomy is equals to choices. In many cases, users are forced to complete a particular task in a narrowly defined way that doesn't reflect their priorities. This lack of freedom can give user a feeling like they are restricted to some area. Autonomy is the definition that says this is the ability to use an interface or a product or a service in such a way that reflects user needs, priorities, and preferences. When we design a product, we should not let our user feel like they are restricted to some particular steps. Rather, we should give them the flexibility and efficiency of the use.
Let's take an example with this image. You want to give a tip to a restaurant. You have been presented with this UI and you have options to give whether 15, 20, or 25%. Or you can cancel the tip. So in this UI, users are restricted or bound to three different options. However, in this UI, user will have an option to provide a custom tip. In the previous UI, if you want to give a 5% of tip, or maybe 7%, or maybe 30% of the tip, you may not be able to do that. Whereas in this UI, you have an options to provide a custom tip that allows you to enter a custom number. In this UI, users are not restricted, but here users are restricted to only three options. So this is the example of autonomy. It presents a full autonomy and it's a limited autonomy. I hope this makes sense.